My name is Alan Perry, and this is FTH 212 Striker Fire Pistols. Today is March the 25th of 25. Right, I'm going to show you the exploded view of all this. I've got torn apart. I'm done put it together, pulled it back apart. So, I've got everything. I'm going to move that and you see more parts. I've already got my dummy rounds out. No dummy rounds. Chair, everything. All right, 6 components that I picked. So I picked the slide, the barrel, recoil spring assembly, uh, the framing, the magazine, and the striker. Some little boogers out there painted butt put up. But anyway, now that we've got that much, move over here so I can explain this. Move better. I only got 12. It's a long list, so I had to write everything like this. Now, for the slide, which is here, so I have right here in my hand. The function of it is to move back and forth during fire, housing the barrel and recoil spring, and assembly. Eject spent cartridges in chambers, new rounds. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the critical dimensions on these. I know it's mentioned a little bit later, but I'll go ahead and add it together and in with it. Figure it's fine. Critical dimensions on this is normally around a 7.15 inches. Width is 1.28 inches. Height is negative 5.23 inches. And then I've got the barrel, of course. The function is direct the bullet out of the pistol, containing, filling, rifling for accuracy. Dimensions 3.9 inches, diameter 0.5 inches. Now the recoil spring assembly, which I've got right here, which is painted, but put that recoil down. The function absorbs recoil and turns the slide into two battery. Critical distance 7.15 inches, diameter 0.25 inches. The framing, which is here, is framing. It provides the structure for the pistol, housing the grip and trigger mechanism. The dimensions is normally 7.215 inches, width is normally 1.28 inches, height 5.23 inches. I don't know why it's the same on both of them, but that's what it pulled up when I researched it. But that's what I got. All right, now we go to the magazine, which is here. It's empty right now. It holds and feeds ammunition in the chamber as its function. Critical dimensions is 4.5 inches in length. Width is 1 inch. Height is 1.5 inch. That definitely didn't make no sense there, but that's what it said. All right, now we go to the striker, which is here. Its function is hits the primer to knock the gunpowder and fire the bullet. Its critical dimensions length 2.5 inches, diameter 0.1 inch. Now, on here is potential failures and impacts, slide, misalignment, damage can cause cylinder issues, making the gun unreliable. The barrel is wired and rifling or obstruction can affect accuracy and safety, which I've seen that a lot. Recoil assembly, spring assembly. If it's weak or broken springs can cause cylinder issues. That's definitely true because I've witnessed that myself. But I had to redo a whole recoil spring on a pistol years ago because now the frame, if it gets cracked or damaged, the firearm components can, it'll mess the integrity of them up. A magazine, foreign feed lifts or weak springs can cause feeding issues. Striker, dirt, or weak spring, it'll cause it to lightly strike the primer, which would be misfire or failure to fire. The common wear and damage is slide, it can get wire on the rails and contact surfaces, barrel wiring and rifling and muzzling, Recoil spring assembly is weakening overtime, I mean. Frame, scratches, scuffs on the grip, which way most of the time my guns go with me, they tend to get that to happen to it. And then for the magazine, same thing, wire on the lips and feed. Strikers always two main things with a striker is always going to be dirt, debris, and the spring weakening. That's just like the recoil seamless spring, same way, it won't work as well. Now for training for gunsmith, really need to know understand the basic knowledge. Need a lot of hands-on experience will help. Troubleshooting requires diagnose physical common malfunctions need this. Definitely number one top of the list I should have had up here when I wrote all this is should have been safety and compliance. Following safety protocols, legal requirements, specialized training, manufacturer specific and advanced courses. They have them that can be done. Additional components and interactions will be the trigger semi interacts with the frame of the striker fired round. Extractor pulls spent cartridges from the chamber. Ejector kicks out the spent cartridge. Slide stop locks the slide open when the magazine is empty. Sights provides aiming preference. Landing on slide. Magazine release allows magazine to drop free from the frame. I picked replacing the recoil frame, and it approximately 15 to 30 minutes. I say less, but that's what it was given when I looked up. Special tools is really nothing special, You just need lubricant, safety glasses, a punch, and hammer. Um, Steps, disassemble slide, remove the old spring assembly, install the new one, reassemble slide. It's not as hard as it looks, but it can be a pain. But where I found all these is top 15 features of the PSA Dagger Comprehensive Guide. The source was CYA Supply Company. Then it was PCA Dagger Review, the top budget Glock clone. Source on it was American Firearms. And PCA Dagger Review, hands-on testing, affordable 19 Glock clone was on GunMade. Uh, the 5 most common PCA Dagger problems you must know. The source is gun analyst. And I got another one too. I got open right here. Yep, it is. And then the PCA Dagger Review does a full-size S cut. Get in the nightstand. Gun digest on resource to be said assembly walkthrough, step-by-step tutorials, which is on the YouTube channel. And then trash for treasure, upgrades to the PCF dagger. That was the fourth source sales, the Maglite. Now we're gonna move to assembling this bad boy. And then doing a function check, but I gotta pause you for a minute. Alright, now I'm back. I got it all together. There's still no clip in it. It's free. Nothing in the chamber at all. We're gonna run through all 8 steps. We're done that. Firing, ejecting, reload. Again, she's all there. Works perfectly. I'll try to clip out. Then she'll hang on clip. I'll drop the clip. We'll do that. Now I'm gonna leave her like this. And we're going to pause so I can load these dummy rounds and then we'll run it through the dummy round check. Come back. Got it loaded up. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna release this here little loader. It's loaded. I'm gonna cock it back just a touch to make sure everything works just right. Yeah, she's loaded. All right. On this set direction, we're gonna pull the trigger. Now, as we pull back on this, this should be ejected just time. Reloaded. Trigger pull. That one just went over yonder. Again. Loading. Done great. Load. Loaded. And she hung up like shell two with empty clips. Drop it. She's smooth. Everything worked. Leave that out of her. I'm gonna leave the gun like it is. And I hope I got all that correct because I am a lot better with hands-on stuff, but not a lot of talking. Hate to do a lot of talking. Not much of a talkative person. And I should be good. I look forward to next week's video. Um, I've got most everything else already completed. Let me pick these up. See. But I got my other two. That was our function checking on. Everything works like a charm. Just now when we get done, I'll get the live part later. But hopefully, yeah, I done everything correctly as I need to be. Thanks.